We have my friend here asked for mid-skin fade.
Yep.
And his hair is like a bit fine, not too thick, which is it's a good idea to show you the fade in the easiest way. If you are just like you want to do it, if you don't have experience, I will show you how you do it in a basic way. So my friend, how about the top? How short you want
to? Zero fade, and on top we'll go probably that at least just enough style, you know.
Too easy, yeah. So you don't like to brush it right or left, just messy styles.
Just make it a bit messy.
Okay. Yeah. Easy. Let's do it. So as I always said, you know, the easiest way to start the fade, just put the zero guideline first and use your clipper. It's easier. So we start from the clipper. We start the zero guideline on the middle because it's a mid fade. Always drop the fade a little bit back. Because why always I drop it back? Because the space on the bag is like biggest than the size. See, like when you put it on the middle from the size, actually on the bag you have to go a little bit lower to match the space, and it looks more nicer. People always confuse about the fade, like, yeah, this is not a mid fade, this is high fade. Actually, it's all about the zero. As the barbers, they know that. It's all about where you put the zero. If you put the zero on the middle, it's a mid fade. High fade. Lower, same thing, lower fade. So it's all about the zero. Here we have the guideline. So now we're gonna shave everything off using the clipper. Now after we shave everything off below the guideline, now because my friend he asked for super zero skin fade, so what I'm gonna do, I will use my shaver to shave halfway, just before the end of the guideline. Now, because we shaved it halfway using the shaver and we left this one zero, so there's a small guideline between the super zero and the zero. We use a trimmer and we hit only on this line, just on the middle. Don't go to the end of the guideline. Now, next step, we grab your clipper and you open the clipper to the end and you just jump 1 inch, just 1 inch here. So don't go very high, and always try to flick the clipper out. See, have a look. Only 1 inch and flick the clipper out. So now to break the line between the zero and the half, you close the clipper halfway and you hit only on this line, on the middle. Only on the middle, see? Don't go to the end of the guideline. Now you grab number 1.5, level open, and you just go to the end, but don't go in, always out. Did you see where's the end of the number 2? Here the guideline. Now you're gonna get number 1, level open, and you just cut just before the end of the number 2, and always flick the clipper out. See, in slow motion, that's how I do it. See, that's how I flick it. But on my hand, I do it very fast. Last step of the fade, there's a guideline here, the last one. How we break it? We put number half, level open, and we hit only on this line. Once you remove this one, that's it. The fade is finished. So you get the end to connect between your fade and the top. But now we need to break this line. So how you break it? Half, level open, and hit only on this line. That's all about it.
Beautiful.
No complaints.
No complaints ever, man.
And this is the final of the haircuts of the fade. Nice fade, smooth fade. So, happy with the haircut?
Very happy, thank you very much.
Where's your thumbs up?
Oh, 100%. Thank you, mate.
Thanks so much.
First choice barber.